Hello, welcome back. You're watching this video because you're looking for a way to fix a basin leak at the base of a water tap. But what is this thing over here? It's a new microphone I got to improve the sound quality of my videos. If you're interested to find out more, I'm doing a review on it and I'll put a link in the description. Hit the like button, subscribe and share this video with someone who may find it useful. And by the way, the comment section on my YouTube channel is kind of quiet, and if you are able to drop a message at the end of this video, I promise I'll read it and respond on my YouTube channel, yeah? In the last video, I installed a new tap, and after finishing up and using it, I realized that water was leaking under the basin. After investigating, I found that the water seeped through gaps at the base cap right over here. I also noticed that the surface of the basin wasn't flat, but I didn't think too much of it. I pinpointed at the base cap to be the cause of the problem. I needed a better paste cap that provides a better seal to seal the hole in the basin. So I went to the hardware store and asked the staff if she had one that fitted my description. She showed me what she got. And immediately I replied, "That's what I'm using right now. But my problem is the surface of my basin is not flat." Oh, the problem is the basin is not flat. It's funny, when I saw the problem, I didn't think it was a problem. But in a discussion, it became apparent what the real problem is. Discuss your problem with someone and the solution will present itself. Back at the hardware store, the staff continued, "Oh, in this case, you need to use..." And in today's video, we will look at how to fix basin leaks due to gaps at the base of a water tap using the solution offered by the staff at the store. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to remove the tap from the basin. To watch a detailed video of how to remove a tap, check the link in the description. I've got a tube of silicone with me and the tap already removed from the basin. I will only use one of the metal plates to reduce the number of joints. I will not use this one since it's a little small and the hole in the basin is kind of big. Here's a comparison. The plate's diameter is only as wide as the hole. The bigger plate covers the hole much better, but water still seeps through as the ceramic surface is not flat. I will apply silicone to seal all the possible gaps right over here. And here. Okay, here we go. It's a little ugly, but I think it will still work. Let's put the metal plate in. My work looks a little ugly, but I think it will still work. Applying more silicone to the base of the plate. Using my feet as a vise here. Making sure silicone is applied all around. Okay, I'm going to put this on the basin now. Just making sure the seams are covered with silicone. Okay, next, let's tighten the nut at the bottom. I'll start with my fingers and spin it until it's hand tight. To further tighten it, use the other hand to turn the tap to the right together with the nut. And turn the tap back to 12 o'clock position while holding the nut in place. Next, soaping up my fingers and swiping the edges of the joints to remove the excess silicone. And finally, wiping off any residue. Reconnecting the hose. To see the full video, please check the link in the description. Turning on the shut-off valve. I'm giving the silicone one night to sit and dry, and I've pasted a masking tape to prevent anyone from using the tap. Good morning, time for the test. Water is ponding here. Let's check the bottom. It's dry. I'm filling with my hands and it's dry. Good, job is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share the video with someone who may find it useful. Write a comment under this video on YouTube. Make some noise there, it's kind of quiet. I will read it and respond. And check for links to other related videos too. Thank you once again. See you again soon. Bye.